looking to upgrade your Snapchat experience with Snapchat Plus, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to get your Snapchat Plus subscription on your iPhone step by step. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about what Snapchat Plus is. It's a premium subscription service that offers exclusive features like customizable app icons, additional features, and more. Now, let's see how you can get it on your iPhone. To start, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile. Now let's find the Snapchat Plus subscription option. Scroll down until you see Snapchat a Plus banner. Tap on it to learn more about the subscription. Here you can find all the details what Subscription Plus offers. Now click on Next. Here you'll see the subscription options usually available on monthly or yearly basis. Select your preferred plan and follow the prompts to complete your payment through Apple's App Store. Now once you've completed your payment, you should receive a confirmation image. Now that you're subscribed, take a look closer to some of the features you can enjoy. And that's it, you're now all set to enjoy Snapchat Plus on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.